Hello again. Right, today, something different. Not building anything today. We're going out and about. Fresh air. Because apparently, it's out there. So that's where we're going. Hi. Hello again. Welcome to Stuff I Do. I'm Rob Yates. Today we're off to look at somewhere else I've never been. That's a big list, to be fair. Arnot Hill Park. More people about than I thought. It's early morning. We've got a nice lake. We have a fly around that, hopefully. See how I get on. Look at me in my cap. I don't do caps, do I? Look like a biker. Yeah. I'm not. Sorry about that. Funniest part is, believe it or not, this thing's like 13 minutes from where I live. Not surprised. I don't get out much, like at all. there's the lake we just flew over, for what you can see of it from here. So there's the house. Very nice. I saw that in the distance on the drone. Thought I'd come have a closer look. Very beautiful. I don't think this is in the heart of Arnold, would you? So here we are, out and about on an adventure again. Makes a change, I haven't been out with the drone for a while. But here we are at Arnot Hill Park in Arnold. Just had a quick fly around the lake, as you've seen. Have a look at this house now. I don't think it's open to the public, but it's uphill. Why is everything always uphill? Maybe I should record this when I'm going back downhill. Like I say, middle of Arnold, who would have thought? Beautiful around here. I haven't been here on. I lived in Nottingham all my life, and I've never been to this park. I didn't know it existed. Nice doggy there, look. And of course, plenty of birds, geese, ducks, swans. We'll have a look at those in a bit. Just coming around this corner here. Get a closer look at the house. Again, as you saw, uphill. Why? It's just the way it is. Like I said, isn't it surprising? All these places where you live and you don't even know they're here. So there you go, Arnot Hill House. So I'm glad I came to look at the house now, not just the lake. And I believe the car park's just there. So there we are. Took my cap off. Doesn't see me. Only makes your head sweat. I don't know how people wear caps. So that's Arnot Hill Park. On the way back to the car park now. Head home. I like to get out and about. It's not too sunny, it's a bit overcast, which is good. So it's cooler. And of course, you can see your screen when you're flying. Car park's a bit full now. Right, so there we are then. We's back. So it's getting a bit cool. Feel cool since I came back. Enjoyed that bit of fresh air. It was nice. So again, another place I've not been. Thanks for coming with me. Do appreciate it. Once again, thanks for watching it with me. I like getting out with the little Mavic. Don't forget to like, subscribe, share the video if you will. Leave a comment in the bottom if you'd like me to go somewhere local that you know of, that you'd like to share it, as long as it's legal to fly there. That's what I'll do. I'm not the best drone pilot in the world, but I like to get a bit of lakes shown, a bit of wildlife. It's always cool. So until next time, we'll crack on with the Proton Pack. I'll see you next time. Take care.